Storytelling, terrific insights have done my research, more friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Enemy continuously in sabotage mode, be like. 1. Hides the TV remote. Reason, the treasure hunt begins. 2. Changes the Wi-Fi password as a joke. Reason, internet mission interrupted. 3. Eats the last cookie. Reason, the snack mystery continues. 4. Move your chair 2 inches. Reason, just enough to confuse you. 5. Finishes the puzzle before you do. Reason, speed mode activated. 6. Borrows your pen without asking. Reason, the pen went on vacation. 7. Presses the elevator button first. Reason, quick reflexes win. 8. Turn the fan off while you're enjoying the breeze. Reason, surprises weather change. 9. Keeps telling funny spoilers. Reason, oops, there goes the surprise. 10. Changes the music just before your favorite part. Reason, DJ with unexpected timing. 11. Walks faster when you're trying to catch up. Reason, accidental speed challenge. 12. Wins every board game. Reason, practice makes perfect. 13. Uses all the hot water first. Reason, early birds win. 14. Takes the comfy seat. Reason, fastest seater succeed. 15. Grabs the charger before you do. Reason, battery emergency. 16. Keeps hiding behind the corner just to say boo. Reason, surprise expert. 17. Accidental closes the browser tab. Reason, time to reopen everything. 18. Put the cereal back almost empty. Reason, the mystery of missing crunch. 19. Keep winning rock, paper, scissors. Reason, lucky streak continues. 20. Changes the TV channel at the exciting part. Reason, plot twist overload. 21. Beats you to the dessert table. Reason, sweet tooth on a mission. 22. Always pick the window seat. Reason, fast decisions matter. 23. Laugh before telling the joke. Reason, the laughter is contagious. 24. Keep guessing your surprise gift. Reason, detective skills unlock. 25. Accidentally bumps the game controller. Reason, oops, wrong move. 26. Start talking just as you take a sip. Reason, comedy timing at its best. 27. Find the best parking spot first. Reason, great timing wins. 28. Says I told you so with a smile. Reason, friendly teasing happens. 29. Always has a playful prank ready. Reason, every day needs a little laughter. 30. Even when enemy is in sabotage mode, kindness wins the day. Reason, humor, patience, and respect are the best way to handle life little challenges. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.